Welcome to the sixth tutorial. In the last tutorial, we just have a trial on how to go live stream, and I just want to put on addition. I found another feature that actually very useful for that. One of the useful thing is to have the mic have the audio compressed, and you must see that in here. You must see that in here in the streaming. You can see, let me do recording and see here too. You must see it in here in the welcome video. Mike and Lin talk actually pretty loud. You can see the volume in here. It's actually in very like red. Sometimes it's quite red, right? How to prevent some of it? If you go over red too loud, what do we do? What should we do? It's something called filter. So filter, if it too loud, the volume too loud, we can actually add something called limiter. So what it does is get to the -6 dB. So -6 dB is actually here. So -6 dB, right? If you can push up louder, it only get up to -6 dB. It won't go over. That's what the limiter for. Okay, we can push the volume as much as we can. Still pretty okay, and because that is okay. But however, in the other case, Andrew's volume is not loud at all. Okay, in here you can see Andrew's volume is a bit bouncing from the green to yellow to red. And how do we fix that? We fix that by putting some other filter called compressor. Compressor is actually make any loud volume a bit even. So what do we do? We add a compressor into the filter. Okay, let me get rid of that first. Let me get rid of every limit. So we get it. We click on Andrew sermon. The volume is actually too low. The volume's too low, right? We come in here, add the filter. Now you put on the filter in here. Let me put a compressor. Okay, compressor is fine, and the compress is. But all you have to do is just it has default. So I think the default is alright. We can use the default, and you push up the volume to at least reach to something red in here. See, right? You can see the volume actually. That's the peak, and that's the bouncing volume. So once you reach to red, so it does reach to red. Okay, but if we don't want to overdo it, you can actually add another limiter, just like we did for Pastor Mark and Lin. So limit up to 6 dB. So once it reaches to 6 dB, we won't go up. So we can actually push the compressor a bit harder to make the volume go a bit evener. So it make it go louder. Okay, without too much volume drop between Mike's video and his video. Okay, so it's good to put a limiter there. So I'm already like streaming or recording in here. So you can see I can put up the video here too to show you that you can hear the volume without or with the compressor. Okay, so now it's with the compressor, without a compressor, with the compressor. So that's now is with the compressors on. See, you can see the volume actually compared to Mike's and Lin's one is actually pretty good. So all you want to do is a consistency, right? You don't want someone is very loud on here, someone's very soft in there. So okay, you can see that. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.